you see that most acoustic systems are developed purely by manufacturers. So you get a manufacturer's point of view, but it has to be done on site. So you need installer experience also. The ELEGANZA, basically we combine the power of the manufacturer's point of view from Knauf with 20 years of practical site experience. I think that's missing in a lot of other systems.
ELEGANZA has a different type of suspension, and the suspension system is very fast. In BEPS Hindu Temple, Abu Dhabi, we completed 3,500 square meter, and we got a great feedback with the quality.
For us, ELEGANZA ticks all the boxes. Exceptional performance in terms of seamless acoustic solutions. It's competitive in terms of its pricing and its sustainability.
ELEGANZA makes seamless acoustics for a wider public available. So first of all, it's a more easy installation. So you can find more companies that can become installers. So you can find it in residential sectors, hotels, and not only in the top segment luxury rooms. There are systems that are glued directly to a surface. But if you glue directly to a surface with seamless acoustics, you are working with inequalities of tenths of millimeters. So that means if a surface does this and you glue something towards it, it will also all the acoustic boards will take over the inequalities that you have in the original surface. With the suspension, you basically can align your ceiling, so you will get rid of all the inequalities that are in the original substrate. Besides that, it creates an air gap, and an air gap will give you an improvement in your acoustics.
The big difference or the value add for us with ELEGANZA is that it's airtight. So this airtightness ensures a continuous aesthetic, clean surface throughout the life of the product, and it's perhaps the only system in the market that will actually warrant the surface finish. It's also a spray installation rather than a trowel finish, so you can install this system over large areas at a reasonable speed, which is really important in the interior solutions side of our business.
Normally for a 100 square meter surface, for example, you need approximately 1.5 weeks because every layer needs to dry in between. When we started out with seamless acoustics, the texture was really rough. On the other hand, there are also hand troweled systems that look basically like a normal plaster look, but they have a lot of disadvantages with maintenance, damage repair, or color options, and also to find specialists who can do that. That's more easy to do with spraying, and the texture got finer and finer, and we're now at a visual where we basically get so close to hand troweling that it's a surface that most customers really appreciate, but they got all the benefits from damage repair and maintenance that you would have with a sprayed ceiling.
I think ELEGANZA will challenge existing product solutions in this area. I would say outperform others in terms of sound absorption. And with the network of trained installers that Knauf has put together, I think the customer will have a good choice in terms of selecting somebody who's comfortable to install an elegant ceiling at a very good price.